Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are into the crypto, blockchain, or just curious about how to store and manage your digital assets safely, then this video is for you. Today we are diving into the XinFin, that is XDC network, and one of the best wallets to store your XDC token is Guarda Wallet. Whether you are new in crypto or already holding the XDC, this guide will help you to understand how to secure and manage your assets safely. So make sure to watch till the end. That what is XinFin? XinFin XDC is a blockchain network designed to make a global trade and finance faster, more secure and cost effective by solving common issues like slow transaction and high fees. Its hybrid model combines the best features of public and private blockchain, making it ideal for businesses, developers, and everyday users. One of its biggest advantages is speed. While traditional blockchain like Ethereum process around 15 transactions per second, XDC handles over 20,000, ensures fast payments, lower cost, and seamless experience for trading, payment, and decentralized applications. To manage your XDC tokens safely, you need a good crypto wallet. One of the best options available is Guarda Wallet. It is a non-custodial multi-currency wallet that let you store, send, receive, and even stake your crypto assets. Since it's non-custodial, you have full control over your private keys. Ensure maximum security for your funds. Getting started with the Guarda wallet is a simple. First visit Guarda.com and select the create a web wallet. You will be asked to create a password which will protect your wallet. Make sure a strong and unique because this password is the key to your fund. Once set, Guarda will generate a backup file that you must download and store safely. After setting up your wallet, the next step is to add XDC. Simply search for XDC in the wallet list of supported cryptocurrencies and add it. Your wallet will now display your public address which you can use to send or receive XDC tokens. This address works like your bank account number for your crypto transactions. One of the standout features of Guarda Wallet is its multiple platform support. You can access it on a web browser, desktop, or mobile app, making it convenient to manage your XDC anytime, anywhere. Whether you are at home, at work, or on the go, your crypto remains easily accessible and secure. Security is a top priority when dealing with the cryptocurrencies. Since Guarda is a non-custodial wallet, it does not store your private keys or backup file, meaning you are the only one with access to your funds. This ensures that even if the platform is hacked, your assets remain safe. However, this also means you must store your backup files securely. Another great feature of Guarda is staking. This allows you to earn rewards by locking your XDC token to help secure the network. It's like earning interest on your saving, making it a great way to grow your crypto holdings while supporting the XDC ecosystem. Guarda also offers a built-in crypto exchange features, allowing you to swap XDC for other cryptocurrencies within the wallet. This makes it easier to manage your portfolio without needing third-party exchanges. The process is fast, secure, and user-friendly. With all these features, security, accessibility, staking, and easy trading, Guarda Wallet is one of the best choice for managing XDC if you are looking for a safe and convenient way to store your XDC token. Get started with the Guarda Wallet today and take your control of your cryptocurrency. This is all about the Guarda Wallet. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and we are connected with our channel. Thank you so much.